How to pay for parking at a gated facility with Parkedin. First, slowly approach the parking column. Then, put your car in park. Next, press the green button located on the parking column to obtain your ticket. Be sure to hold onto your entry ticket. You'll need it on the way out. The barrier gate arm will then open. Please drive through and park safely. Once you're ready to leave, you have the option to pay using Parkedin at a pay station or at the parking lot exit gate. To pay using Parkedin, select Pay for Parking on the main menu screen. Select Scan QR Code and proceed to scan the QR code on your ticket. For an app-free experience, you can also scan the QR code using your phone camera. Then, enter your email and billing information. Your receipt will be emailed to you. To pay at a pay station, insert your ticket into the Insert Ticket slot. The display will show how much you owe for parking. To pay with credit card or mobile wallet, tap your credit card or phone on the credit card reader. Alternatively, insert your credit card into the credit card slot. If preferred, you also have the option to pay with cash or coins. Your ticket will print and be dispensed out of the pay station. Take your ticket as you will need it to exit the parking facility. A receipt will print after the ticket as payment confirmation. When you pull up to the exit column, insert your ticket into the ticket slot on the exit column. The barrier arm will lift and you may leave the parking facility. To pay at the exit column, insert your entry ticket into the ticket slot on the exit column. The display will show how much you owe for parking. To pay with credit card or mobile wallet, tap your credit card or phone on the credit card reader. Your receipt will print and dispense out of the ticket slot. The barrier arm will lift and you may leave the parking facility.